We had an awesome day today here at MetStar Capital's Iceplex. We welcomed nearly 100 fifth grade students from Hollin Meadows Elementary School. This was our Caps in School Future Goals STEM field trip presented by KPMG.
KPMG is proud to be here today supporting Caps in School program. The fifth graders are coming here today to learn a little bit more about STEM in hockey, and we couldn't be more proud to be a supporter of today's events.
The kids had a blast. They got to watch practice for a little bit before breaking into stations, and then they got to apply some hockey knowledge to different STEM-related fields.
I really liked watching them practice. Like, people came out with chants and stuff like Alex or Let's Go Caps. That was pretty good.
I'm just amazed that we were able to make it happen. Last year we couldn't even go on a field trip, so to be able to come out here, see practice, get to experience some of the things the players do, it was probably once in a lifetime opportunity, so I'm really grateful.
I enjoyed the personal chefs for like all the capitals. Like, they taught us about like how it's very important for us to eat like big meals of the day, and I never knew that sports players eat like a lot of food.
So everybody's gonna get a chance to take a shot. All right, you're gonna get a feel for how you take a shot in hockey while you're thinking about those two words, force and friction.
I really did enjoy the slapshot station. Watching the kids just go up there and have fun was a blast.
There it is, nice job.
So I'm here to talk to you about some of the gear that the guys use every single day. So someone comes in and they scan their feet and they build a mold to their foot.
The Future Goals program really kind of shows you the math and science behind the sports that we know and love.
My favorite part today was putting the equipment on and learning about it. I actually got to feel like how hockey players move around and feel. Learn about how they use their equipment and stuff.
So do you guys remember seeing on the ice today how many different color lines there were and what they were? In the middle, there was the red line, right? The two blue lines, everyone remember that? And then there's two end lines at the very end.
Well, I think it just shows the kids that the stuff they're learning in school, while it doesn't seem that important at the time, it does appear everywhere. Like the science, the math, all that stuff that we learn, whether they like it or not, it's here.